Yo, okay, now go inside.
Any other man, or some mad dog, not to walk with any other clan. We have a plan for the music. The blood are done when the gun them start stamping. The AK clamp him. Line up the gun like a damn trim. Some boy feel them a Samson when they shot them itch a damn skin.
Yo, YouTube.
And we're there.
Yeah, we're there, dog. This video, we basically gonna ask each other yes or no questions, and if we get it wrong,
we're gonna put clothespins on your face.
The loser have a drink like anything. So like if I make a drink, like I can put anything in there.
You're fucking up with nothing there.
Yeah,
weird things.
Yeah.
So Sing.
Yeah.
What is 4 times 4?
16. I got it right.
Oh shit!
What's the capital of Saudi Arabia?
Haiti.
What the fuck?
Oh, Jello.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Jello.
Yeah, man.
Jello. Sing. What is capital of Africa? Oh shit! I'm like, either.
What's my grandfather's first name?
Will. What is my mom's last name?
Clark.
Jesus Christ.
What's my favorite flavor soda?
Grape. What?
It's cola champagne.
What is this grape? Oh, come on, brother. What is my favorite food?
Burger King, KFC, and bacon.
Wrong, right, and right. Oh shit.
I'll make a beer with that.
Yeah. Jesus
What
Christ.
color socks do I have on?
You don't want socks.
Like.
Oh my god, my face.
Yo, this too tight, nah.
No,
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Sam, what's the name for my ex-girlfriend?
Oh fuck. I'm gonna put this. Oh god. I can't do this. Oh my ears,
I can't smile that.
I see there. Oh my goodness, there you go.
Alright, so to do this faster, if I get a question right, he has to put on 5 clothespins.
Oh
if
no,
I get
no,
it wrong,
no.
I'll put on
Dog,
5
look at my face.
Dog, yeah, you can do stuff 5 one time.
It hurts. Fucking hurts.
It hurts, trust me. Yo, Sam.
I want to cry,
What's my baby brother's middle name?
Jordan.
No!
What is it? What is it?
Son.
What?
Literally son.
Why would it be son? That makes no sense.
2,
Oh.
3,
Oh my god.
4,
Oh my god.
5.
Oh my
Mighty.
god.
Saw.
I look at Jesus
Saw.
song. What is my uncle's last name? Uncle Joe.
Your grandmother's last name?
Hell no. Uncle Joe.
Dog.
Uncle Joe.
Dog.
Yo, Joe.
How am I supposed to know?
What is your last name?
You want me to have the same last name? Yeah, man, you're Shane.
Oh,
Jump on the hive.
Oh, Jano.
Right now.
Man. Oh my god. The clothespin broke.
That real.
Here, 2.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys.
Let's give it, dog.
No, not give up. One more time, shut down.
Yeah. Okay, count, I'm ready.
Jesus Christ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
So,
he won. No, he has to make me a drink.
you shake.
That more crying.
You shake. So guys, this is Sam's drink. It's so disgusting. God.
What the hell is that, dog?
Dog, take a sip.
Dog, what the hell is
Yeah,
this?
but dog, it's just chocolate milk, dog.
Dog, what the hell did you put in this? What? Dog. Dog. Hi, boy, you know, dog.
Take a sip, dog. You have to swallow it too, the dog.
What the?
You can do this.
What is this? Dog. Dog, what the hell is this? Dog, I'm gonna take 1 gulp, dog. 1 gulp, and then that's it.
That's it, dog. That's all I have. You have to go.
3.
Yeah, 3.
Wait.
Ready?
Alright.
Ready?
3,
Yeah.
2, 1. What was in there, dog?
Alright, so Milo.
Milo. Not too bad, not too bad.
Alright, watch this now. You ready?
Jesus Christ, what did he take?
Mustard,
Oh
pancake
my.
syrup, apple cider vinegar,
What?
syrup, milk, ketchup, Pepsi.
I can still taste in my mouth, dog.
Fuck you, dog. That was the clothespin challenge.
It was horrible.
It wasn't horrible.
It tastes like God.
I challenge all of you to do it and send me links or anything. I take. But anyways, guys, Singh Zima.
And we're there.
And don't forget,
your mother.
When I see your face, I know that you're the one, girl.